Today we're in Kaohsiung, Taiwan's second largest city and home to one of the country's most popular hiking spots, Shoushan. There are dozens of routes here, with most people starting from either here, or here. We'll begin from the southern trailhead. Located in Shoushan National Nature Park, Shoushan literally means longevity mountain. One of the reasons why this place is so popular for hiking is because it's very close to the city center and easily accessible by transit. It's also not too difficult and is suitable for most fitness levels. Shoushan is also known as Monkey Mountain because of the large population of Formosan macaques that live here. This subspecies of macaques is native to Taiwan, having originally crossed over from the mainland around 8,000 to 10,000 years ago. They've since evolved into a distinct species due to Taiwan's unique environment and isolation. At the official top of the mountain, the view is calm and expansive. A great place to rest and take in the city. But a little further up, and on the other side of the fence of a military outpost, is an even better view. Carrying on, we make our way north and slowly down the mountain. Along the way, we come across this tea station. This place is completely run by volunteers who not only make tea for visitors, but also hike up water and other supplies daily. 4 kinds of tea are offered to hikers, all free of charge. This is also a popular hangout for the macaques, and a great place to soak in the surroundings. Thirst quenched, we continue our descent. With regular breaks to take in the landscape, of course. Getting closer to the northern trailhead, we start to come across more hikers on their way up. Almost at the bottom now. The final stretch goes through narrow stepped alleyways, finishing with a stunning view of the Longquan Pagoda. A perfect ending to a great hike.